EFF leader Julius Malema has urged the youth to follow in the footsteps of the young people of 1976 in fighting against the many ills they are confronted with.
The youth of South Africa, you must stop being complainants and say you are unemployed. You must be like the 1976 generation and stand up and fight these people who are stealing our jobs and fight these people who are stealing our land, because without land we will not have jobs.
He utilized his speech to address obstacles hindering the advancement of the youth in South Africa.
Today, we are fighting for data. That data must fall. Data is expensive in South Africa. We want data to fall because data is information. You use data to access information, to look for jobs, and when it is expensive, it means you can't have access to those opportunities. We're saying, why is data having an expiry date? As if it's milk or bread. Data must never expire. Once you buy it, it must belong to you.
The address also included criticism aimed at other political leaders.
This KZN must never be reduced into some tribalistic province. Our people in KZN are not tribalist, and they do not belong to some old man who wants to use tribalism to win over the hearts of our people. This is a progressive province, and it will become one of the liberated zones very soon as we march into the future. Who left? Who right? Yes, sir.
Malema has also given directives as the party aims to recover lost ground in next year's election. He says efforts for a stronger performance are now in motion. Sikhona Malinga Mnisi in Umlazi.